In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch mobile data in SIM card in Control Center on iPhone that's running iOS 18. So let's begin. Now before iOS 18, you had to switch your mobile data by going to settings and then cellular data to switch your cellular data from settings. However, now it's really convenient. You can do it from anywhere by just swiping down your control center, and then you should tap and hold the network block over here, and after the network block expands, you should tap and hold cellular data, and then as you can see, we have the option to switch cellular data. We can switch to other cellular data by pressing other SIM card, and you can access this option from even an application that you are using. So it's really convenient in iOS 18. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.